Hey guys, this is Nick, and this is my new bike. It is a 1993 Suzuki Bandit, 400 cc's. I just got it about 4 days ago. I ran for the first day and now it doesn't want to run. So I'm just wondering if I'm going to show you guys around and maybe you can help me figure out what's wrong with it. Like, listen to it start up. I need two hands to do this. So probably see from here. And that's all I get whenever I try to start it. It is full of gas, so don't bother asking if I have gas in it, because I know. Oil's all filled up. Spark plugs work, apparently. There's gas going to the carbonator. Battery is fully charged. I've been charging it forever now. Just trying to get started each day. I did find a wire that's loose though, and I have no idea where it goes. I searched for a good hour on this bike looking for where it goes. I couldn't find anything. I think it just might be a ground wire. So. I don't know. If you know what's wrong, please leave a comment, because it helped me out a lot. Yeah. I just don't understand how you're running one day and it just stops the other day. Let's come on. Yeah.